Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to improve your privacy and reduce distractions in Windows 11 by adjusting a few key settings. First, open your Start menu and then go to Settings. From there, click on Privacy and Security in the left-hand sidebar. Under Windows Permissions, select Recommendations and Offers. Here, you'll want to toggle off these 6 options. This helps limit ad tracking and reduces the suggested content that can clutter up your experience. Now, we go back to the previous menu, and here we click on Diagnostics and Feedback. Find the toggle for Send Optional Diagnostic Data and turn it off. Next up, let's handle your location privacy. We'll go back again. We scroll down to App Permissions and select Location. Here you can switch location services to off. This prevents apps from accessing your whereabouts when you don't actually need it. Finally, let's look at your notifications. We go back once more to Privacy and Security, and under the App Permissions list, we find Notifications. You can turn off notification access entirely if you want a zero distraction environment, or choose specific apps that are allowed to alert you. And that's it. These steps help make your PC feel more private and less cluttered. Don't forget to subscribe to Libretechia for more reachable and easy to understand tech tips. See you in the next video.